This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly.
Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a persistent Android Metasploit payload, one that maintains access even after a device reboot. If you're a penetration tester or cybersecurity engineer, this technique can be useful for testing how secure a system is after restarts, for example, during forensic investigations or long-term threat simulations. But before we continue, please remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. It's meant to sharpen the skills of ethical hackers, OS analysts, and cybersecurity professionals. Everything shown is performed in a controlled environment, and we do not promote or support any illegal activity. Alright, let's get started. We'll be using a tool called Metapack. Think of it as a plugin or extension for Metasploit. It's packed with features that integrate directly with Metasploit to make payload generation easier. Let's go ahead and launch it so you can see what it looks like. Now we're in. As you can see, it offers a variety of features like creating persistent APK payloads, generating malicious PDF exploits, signing payloads to bypass antivirus detection, and much more. Of course, all of this is strictly for testing and awareness purposes only. Since today's focus is on creating a persistent APK, I'll go ahead and choose the option 1 for that. Next, I need to enter my machine's IP address and port number. This is where the payload will connect back once installed on the target. I'll input those details now. And as you can see, the payload is now being generated. In the background, the tool uses APKTool to decompile the base APK, inject the payload, and recompile it again. Keep watching. We're almost done with the process. And finally, we're done. The payload has been saved inside the Metapack folder as live-payload.apk. Now, once this APK is installed on a target device, it will maintain a persistent connection, even after a reboot. Here's why. Metapack uses a pre-built persistent APK that runs automatically every 5 seconds in the background. It connects back to your Metasploit listener consistently. Behind the scenes, the tool uses APKTool to decompile the base APK, prompt you to input your IP and port, inject the payload, add the necessary permissions, and then recompile it into a fully working APK. The beauty of this is how reliable it is. It keeps the connection alive long-term. For any cybersecurity professional or penetration tester, having or building a tool like this is worth it. It automates the entire payload setup, saving you time and effort. And that's it for today's video. Remember, everything shown here is strictly for educational purposes and was done in a controlled environment. This demonstration does not involve unauthorized access to any device. Stay ethical, stay informed, and always stay updated.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.